Like cette vidéo où cette araignée va ramper dans ta bouche cette nuit. Donc n'oubliez pas qu'un jour un grand ninja a dit « Ne pas s'abonner à Slashcoon, c'est comme vouloir que Kim Jong-un soit vivant ». Donc si vous aussi vous voulez devenir un ninja, n'oubliez pas de liker et de vous abonner. Bienvenue pour une nouvelle vidéo sur Slashcoon. Dans cette vidéo, nous verrons des enfants qui se font choper en train de voler. Donc regardez bien toute la vidéo, comme ça vous ne raterez rien. D'ailleurs, je vous conseille d'aller voir G2A si vous voulez des jeux moins chers. Mais maintenant, commençons avec la vidéo. Numéro 1. Commençons la vidéo avec ce petit gars qui a été surpris en train de voler dans un magasin par le vendeur lui-même. Le vendeur va commencer à le filmer et à lui faire la morale, ce qui va totalement faire paniquer le petit garçon, qui va commencer à pleurer. Regardez le clip, il est très drôle et en plus de ça, ça donne une bonne leçon de vie au petit.
No, you did it more than once. Admit it. If you admit it, listen.
I did it like 3 times. I'm so sorry. Please don't tell my dad I won't do it anymore.
You promise me you won't do it anymore?
I crossed my heart. Yes. And please don't tell my dad because he's gonna want me hard.
Alright, say I'm sorry
I'm sorry.
for stealing.
Huh?
For stealing. And you will never do it again.
I'll do it again.
Alright, but I'm still telling your dad.
No, my God, please.
I'm calling the cops too.
No.
You want to go to jail?
No, I don't. I don't want to. I'm sorry.
Are you gonna ever steal?
I'll never steal in my life again.
Should I call the cops?
No.
So say sorry for stealing.
Sorry for...
Numéro 2. Dans ce clip, vous allez voir un mec qui entre dans une bijouterie pour voler un collier. Sauf que quand il est entré dans la bijouterie, le vendeur a fermé la porte pour éviter qu'il le vole. Ce que le voleur va faire est assez surprenant. Il va mettre un collier autour de son cou comme si de rien n'était, et essayer de sortir du magasin, sauf qu'il va se retrouver bloqué devant la porte. Numéro 3. Dans ce clip, vous allez voir un mec qui va essayer de voler un vélo en rentrant par effraction dans une propriété privée. Il va réussir à rentrer et à prendre le vélo, sauf que quand il va essayer de sortir, le vélo va rester coincé dans le portail. C'est un clip super marrant à voir, je vous laisse regarder. Numéro 4. Dans ce clip, ce gamin se fait attraper par le vendeur d'un petit magasin en train de voler. L'enfant devient super paniqué parce qu'il pensait s'en sortir sans souci. Il a supplié le vendeur du magasin de le laisser partir sans appeler ses parents et la police.
Don't touch my phone. What? Don't touch my phone. You're a thief. Who you talking to? You're a thief, man. You're a thief. You're a thief, man. You're a thief, man. You're thieving cans, look. I'm putting this on YouTube, bro. You're a thief. You look a thief. Like my thief.
Here. Well, all the time you've done it, it's in the camera. Yes.
got whole month.
You just tried to thief my phone as well.
No, I didn't.
Yeah.
I got you in whole month in the camera. You sit down in there. I call the police now. I don't want to show the police. No. I don't want, because you've been doing it for 1 month.
Please, I haven't.
Yes, I need to speak to your parents as well. Yeah.
Please.
Don't say that.
Beg for
You know what? You don't need to do
I
that.
won't come again, please.
No, it's not
My
that.
parents never give me any money.
But whose fault is it? Making a bad habit of it.
Please, I won't come again here. I swear I'm
It's not that. It's not that. You got a bad habit.
I won't come again. I swear you can see me here. I won't come again.
Yeah.
You can
So
see me. I won't
you know what? Come here.
again.
You'll do it somewhere else.
No, I won't. I swear down my mom's life.
You
I swear
understand?
down my mom's life. I don't mean it.
You do it. It's a bad habit. You want to go to prison in this age? Yeah. So what are you doing then? Why are you stealing these things?
Stick to your books, man.
Yeah. Get your mom and dad here. You're gonna get your mom and dad or call the police. No, you got a choice. Yeah. When?
Oh, they'll come. My mom is at work. My dad is at work as well tomorrow.
Yeah. So you have to wait for the police then.
No, my mom might be home
Wait
because
for
she's
the
taking
police.
my
Let
sister.
me call the police.
She's taking my sister.
All right. That's what you in the. Yeah.
Well, you got any other family that can come?
Please. My
What do you mean,
mom's at
please?
home.
You do it for
My
you.
mom's at home. My mom's at home because she took my sister today.
Ring up.
What? I don't know her number, but I'll get her.
As soon as you don't get your mom here, I'll be knocking your door, speaking to your dad. Yeah. And I'll be reporting the police because I got your tape here in the office.
Numéro 5. Dans ce clip, vous allez voir un gamin qui essaie de voler de la nourriture devant deux femmes qui ne vont pas le laisser faire. Une des deux femmes va lui faire la morale et le petit va vraiment se chier dessus. Si les femmes n'avaient pas été là, il s'en serait sûrement sorti avec la nourriture volée.
That's what you say. Go ahead.
I was going to take another one, but I didn't have enough money, so I put it back
But where was it?
in my pocket. I was going to put it on the desk, but me only has $10, so I didn't know. Okay?
Listen. Lie to someone else. Your friend is a giveaway.
He's not even stealing.
You were. You need to say you're sorry.
I did.
Okay. No, it's fine.
No,
But he needs
I'm
to apologize. Sorry.
Numéro 6. Dans ce clip, vous allez voir un père qui a surpris sa propre fille en train de voler dans un magasin. Il va la forcer à s'excuser devant le propriétaire du magasin, sauf qu'elle va totalement paniquer et commencer à pleurer. Franchement, je trouve que ce père est plus qu'admirable, parce qu'il donne une très bonne éducation à ses enfants.
She on her way into Walgreens, my little 10-year-old little girl stole some nails. And she's about to go in here and apologize, pay for them nails, and I'm calling the police on them. Come on. Standing right. This is $11. Hold to the $11. Money in your pocket, you still stealing. The manager's here? Yeah. Tell her what you did. Open your mouth. Tell her what you did. Show her. Show her what you did. And she had money in her pocket. Until you come here to pay for them nails. Right? You heard her talking to you? What you supposed to say?
Do either one of you all have the bounce rewards number or anything? I'm just gonna say one thing, and I'm saying it in front of them. You brought it all upon yourself because you didn't have to do what you did.
Right.
And your mama's with you.
Had money in her pocket.
They talk about us now being statistic, and I know you know what that means, but you go to school. $8.47.
Give her the 10.
Just give me the $10 bill for it.
That's what you want to say to her. Who? I can't hear you. And you won't do what no more? I can't hear you. All right, let's go.
No, you don't get those.
No, you don't get that back.
No, you don't get these.
Take the ones you stole.